And ask ko lang po, ano po yung preparations niyo po when it comes to yung mismong on-stage performances niyo, and ano yung mga may expect namin sa mga characters po?
Ito yung mga nangyayari na sa backstage, no, habang nag-open house na pumapasok na yung mga tao.
Ay, thank you nga pala sa Jimmy News Online na nandito kayo. Asan yung TV5? Ano yung anchor nyo? Wala kayo. Charot. But thank you so much for your support, Jimmy Network, and Jimmy News Online. Thank you very much. Ako, preparation, I think, napaka-importante na ako bilang isang performer, bilang isang artista, to be collaborative, especially with the creatives, lalo na sa aming director. Kasi ako bilang isang performer, I just don't stand on the stage and read the script eh. Totoo yan, walang eme. I really go to the writer's pool, I sit down with our writers, diba, katulad yung ginawa ko last year, and then I do my best to revise the script na, you know, as much as I can, to be more personal, kasi meron din ako mga gustong i-inject na creativity na mula sa akin. And in terms of preparation sa character, yun nga, nag-iisip na kami ni Ken kung anong magandang maging character ko this year. Because I was a festival queen last year and I talked about the return of Live Aids. Ngayon, nag-iisip kami na something relevant pa din. Diba? I do my research, I watch TikTok, I am present on social media and check ano bang sikat, sino bang pinag-uusapan ngayon, who is relevant, what should be talked about, anong magandang character na nakakatawa na bagay sa akin. Napakahirap kasi ng Live Aids kasi hindi siya katulad ng ibang play na parang very structured, surgical yung script. Eto, bahala ka kung sinong gusto mong maging ikaw And yun din yung challenge sa amin, na to come up with characters, with sketches, with stories na nakakatawa, na relevant, na may suntok Yun yung ang hirap niyang i-put into one sentence siguro. But we are trying our best. We do our research, we write, we collaborate with each other, and I'm so happy. I-highlight ko lang din yung director natin na si Ken. I've been performing with Ken since Live Aids 23. Diba? Ang dami na namin napagsamahan together. Ang dami na namin mga nasulat na material together. Mga writers pool na pinagsamahan. And I think, befittingly so, he's the director this year kasi talagang deserve niya. Ganun kami nag-unite all together as an organization. To be honest with you, ang writers pool namin, 15 to 20 katao, araw-araw nagiinuman, nagsusulat, diba? Kasi talagang ganun kami as an organization. Ipe-present namin, direct ba to lang ha? O ito yung naisip ko, nakakatawa ba? Hindi, tsaka yan, out. O, I have, isulat yan. So, you know, we prepare as a team and we of course do our research. Ganun.
Promises time. Anong nangyayari sa'yo habang sa preparation mo patungo sa show dates?
Minimake sure, masaya kasi yung show. Always masaya yung show. So, minimake sure ko ako personally na pagpasok ko, alam ko lahat ng cues, linya, and everything. Part din naman yun, professionalism. Pero hindi sa lahat, yung pagka-GB, yung energy. Kasi malaking bagay yung energy mo sa stage, sa backstage, on stage, kahit after the show, before the show. Super laking bagay nun. Pwede siyang makabuo or makasira ng dynamic sa loob. So, ini-make sure ko yung energy ko in-check at masaya lang. GB lang. Check na. So, yeah.
MJ, siguro on the production side, madugutom.
Yung preparation sa production side, it's heavily reliant on teamwork talaga. Pareho lang naman yung sa creators and production side na it's really about collaboration and everyone, hands-on tech talaga lahat. For us, syempre, to mount the show this big, syempre kailangan namin ng support from a lot of people, whether it be financial or moral support. So it's really about working together and really connecting with each other kasi it's through connections din naman na nakakahanap kami ng support. And on the resident side din naman, lagi kaming very supportive during rehearsals na kapag sabay-sabay namin sinisigaw lahat ng frustrations namin, lahat ng pagod namin. And mafe-feel mo talaga na hindi ka mag-isa sa journey na to, na may kasama kang nagpupuyat, may kasama kang nangangawit na sa conditioning namin. Kasi every rehearsals, nagka-conditioning mo kami to make sure na by the time na nag-show na kami, na dire-diretsyong show, kaya ng katawan namin, kaya ng endurance namin. So, we really show up for each other. Nandiyan kami lagi to support each other. And kahit sa mismong show dates na sa backstage, sama-sama kaming lahat, naghahalo na yung mga gamit namin. Mini-makeup pa namin yung isa't isa. Nandiyan talaga kami para sa isa't isa. It's really, it's not a one-man show. It's really everyone's show. And it wouldn't be possible without the people around us.
Alright, sige.
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you po. And we have one